Let's all welcome back all 13 of our hunks in their hot and sexy swimwear. Let's welcome hunk number 1. He is part, of course, of our last elimination round contenders for this evening. Let's give it up to Ryan Cruz. Ryan Sellen is playing basketball, going to the gym, and he is also a barista. Home number 2, Jervin Alice. Jervin's talent is showing off his dance skills. And now let's give it out to hall number 3, Sherwin Marginio. Sherwin's talent is singing and showing off his dance moves. And now let's have hall number 4, Alexis Bedelia. Alexis' talent is to show off his singing skills. And now we have hall number 5, Miguel Ginto. Miguel's talent is to play basketball. And now we have hall number 6, Prince Felix. Prince's talent is to show off his singing skills. number 7, James Casilia. James' talent is to sing and show off his dance moves. Let's welcome back on stage all of our last elimination round contenders. Starting off with Hulk, number 8, Carlos Lucero. Carlos' talent is his singing skills, together with his dancing prowess, and he also likes to cook. And now we have Hulk number 9, Kurt Reyes. Kurt's talent is to show off his dancing skills. And now we have Hulk number 10, Mark Boyd. Mark's talent is to show off his cooking skills. Let's give it up to Hall number 2, Ken Avendano. Ken's talent is to show off his dancing skills. Jaden Onen. Jaden's talent is his singing prowess. Come back on stage, our wild card candidates with their swimwear. Time to see them again. Let's welcome back all 13 of our hunks on stage. Pahingi naman ang kamay. Palapakan natin all 13 of our hunks, our last elimination contenders, and of course our wild card candidates as well. Wala ba yung mas masiga mo palapakan naman dyan? I do understand all our hunks risked it all para makapasok sa grand finals. So this is the moment we're in. Our judges will be tabulating the scores kung sino nga ba makakapasok. And our hunks, kung sa mga wildcard, alam niyo na itong procedure na ito, our last elimination contenders, relax na muna tayo lahat. Alright! So before we move on and get to know our hunks, and syempre kumustahin natin ang wildcard contest. Don't worry, this is not part of the competition. Ito yung, kapag pang-relax lang. Pag nakapasok na kayo sa grand finals, you know how to interact with our audience members, di ba? Mas relax na kayo. Syempre, our judging would be from the last elimination round contenders and syempre yung wildcard. Alright, pinagsama-sama lang namin kayo this time around. Gusto ko yung mga dadagdag doon sa mga pictures na nandito. Alright, tingin niya natin si Hunk number 1. Hunk number 1, kamusta ka? Relax ka lang, pare. Mga kabado. Chill lang, relax. Alright. Don't worry. All of you are truly magwapo kayo. Lahat kayo pretty much sure talagang ina-adore kayo ng mga audience members natin. Alright. Brother, ano ang ginawa mong preparasyon sa competition na ito? Leading towards, of course, this Saturday.
Uwi ka na rin, nasa pa na. Ay, di ba?
Yun, actually interesting yan ha. This is the first time around na may hump na umamin na nagpa-practice siya umampa. That's very important. Kailangan matuto ka to face audience people and syempre how to walk properly. Siguro kahit nga ako, parang pahinga mo ngayon, mukha akong ewan, di ba? So hindi ako magaling rumampa per se talaga, di ba? So you guys really have that talent. Alright, hump number 1, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan, handler mo, or audience member na nanonood ngayon?
Wala sana.
Alright, Taibig, maraming salamat of course for all of us. And of course, lagi tinatanong kami ang mga social media handles, businesses na gusto nyo i-promote. Kasi ang daming nanonood ngayon, bali nyo, i-check nyo, ang lakas ng social media. Wala? Meron. Wala, nahiya. Alright, don't ka mag-alala, brother. Congratulations. And good luck to you. Let's move on to hump number 3. Alright, hump number 3, ganun din ang katanungan kasi since mga party kayo ng last elimination round, anong ginawa mong preparasyon leading towards today?
Mag-practice din ng lakad tsaka mag-kondisyon ng katawan. Mahanda natin yung pinalabanan.
Right. Hindi lang kasi physical, dapat mental din yung laban, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan prepare ka. Alright, hump number 3, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan? Meron ka bang businesses na gustong i-promote? Na gusto magpaparinig sa mga audience members natin?
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa nagdala sa amin sa Underground. Sa mga tao dito, thank you sa support sa lahat.
Maraming salamat, Bro. Meron ka bang business? TikTok? Gusto mo yun. Alright, baka nagbibenta ka din labubog. Alright, diba? Uso ngayon yun, gabi, TikTok shop. Ayun, bibenta, labubu, labada, ganyan, di ba? Alright, hump number 5. Mga fans, hump number 5. Ayan. Meron ka bang, una muna, ano yung ginawa mong preparasyon leading towards today?
Ayun nga. Workout din.
Workout talaga, no? Alright. Sana may marinig ako, wala lang. Tutulog lang ako, kahit lang na kain. Pero ganito talaga katawan ko, di ba? Parang Derek Ramsey lang, di ba? Woke up like this. Alright. So, hump number 5, so working out is very important talaga. Kailangan habit yan eh. And syempre, may ka bang gustong pasalamatan and at the same time, may businesses ka ba? TikTok, YouTube, di ba? Vlogging na.
Pinapasalamatan ko lang po si Ate Ben.
Si Bebe, marami nang binigay trabaho si Bebe sa akin. Maraming salamat, Bebe. Ayan. Siyempre, of course, good luck sa inyong dalawa. May TikTok ka ba? YouTube? Wala. Nagbebenta ka ba ng mga gym supplements? May mga kasi ganun. May mga sila promo codes pa, di ba? Wala? Okay, sige. Alright, don't worry. Ito, training na rin sa inyo kasi alam niyo maraming mga hulks na lumalaban na rin internationally. And I'm pretty much sure on that stage, pagsasalitain kayo, di ba? Or probably Q&A, di mo masabi. So training na rin to. So baka naman magaling din kayo mag-host, di ba? So perfect time to get to relax. Of course, we have our hump right over there, ang husay-husay na. First time I interviewed him, ang nasabi lang niya, hi, hello. Pero ngayon, di ba? Nakakapagbigay na ng payo. Congratulations to you, brother. And I'll see you next week as well. Let's move on to hump. Ay, hindi ko pala kasama na sa first elimination round. And you're part of the first elimination round. Alright, hump number 7. Brother, kamusta ka?
I'm so good.
You're so good. I like that. He's really good. Anong ginawa mong preparasyon para leading towards this competition? Itong araw na to.
First thing first ko is syempre confidence. And then also gratitude and syempre humble ka lang.
Alright.
First, working out.
Working out, confidence, gratitude. Alam mo, pag nakikita ka ng kawawa na dalang-dala mo yung sarili mo, you know, parang alam mo yung ginagawa mo rin talaga. Nakikita ko yung confidence. Kumbaga, iba yung yabang sa confidence. I can see that to you, so kudos to you that. Kudos to you, brother. And syempre, meron ka ba social media places? Meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan sa araw na ito?
Yes po, first thing first, nagpapasalamat ko sa nag-other sa akin, which is Tito Alex, and then syempre si Marco. And then also, we have business po, which is franchise business. Hindi po niya is KA. And then actually, this is my first time and privilege and honor ko rin na makapunta dito at makasala. And then I'm so good and then thankful din.
Maraming salamat sa'yo, bro. So you have a franchise business named KX. Alright, and is that on Facebook? Pwede ba nila mag-check? Paano ko nila KX lang, K tapos itlog. Tama ba? At sorry.
KEG franchise po. KEG franchise. KEGG and then franchise.
KEG, sorry. Kala ko KX itlog. Ano itong business na to? Business to?
Korean franchise business.
Oh, interesting. Alright, so if you guys want Korean franchise business, get in touch with this guy. That's KIKE-KAEGG on Facebook page. Alright, good luck to you. And of course, nasa pa yung mga ito, dito, this side. Alright, si hunk number... Sorry.
Okay naman lumapit.
Okay, sorry.
Okay naman lumapit na ng konti.
Medyo malapit din sa mic. Ay, sa speakers. Okay. So, hunk number 2. Ayan. Brother, same question lang yung tinatanong ko. Paulit-ulit lang. Anong ginawa mo preparasyon leading towards to today?
Gym lang yan. Hinga ako sa bahay. Siyempre, kampay. Hirap lang yung pinagkaya.
Gusto ko si Kuya, di ba? Gym lang, tulog lang, relax lang. Okay, alright. I like that. You have to focus and relax. Uy, hindi pa tayo tapos. Okay. Alright, Kuya, ano ang... sino gusto mong pasalamatan? At katulad, of course, hindi ako sabi kanina, pero bang business na may papa-franchise or nag-TikTok ba, nag-YouTube ka? Paano ka naman yung malalapit?
Una-una kayo sir. Thank you so much sa pag-handler sa akin ngayon. Pangalan ko wala sa Jervin Arcanas.
Yeah. Alright, brother, thank you so much. You can follow me on social media page, Jervin Arnalos. Alright, so let's move on to hunk number 4. Alright, Kuya. Brother, ano ang naging preparation mo leading towards to today?
Stepisto nila yan eh.
Hello everyone.
Mga katawan lang.
I do have preparation.
Sa ano na lang sila sa...
Saan ka dito para mag-miss ka lang?
Dala lang sila sa gay bar, walang interview po.
Maraming tao na nanonood at maraming salamat sa inyo.
Good luck to you, brother. Tanong ko lang, ano nangyari dito?
Yun, sa mga
Jersey!
bypass mo.
Alhamdulillah, thank God, of course, you're still alive here today, sharing your grace with us. And syempre, meron ka bang business na gusto mong i-promote, di ba? Baka naman makakabigyan ng ating mga audience members.
Wala akong business, pero may mapupunta ako. Which is yung Giant Angel Sport, Devil Sport. Maraming salamat kung wala namin po yung store nila sa kasindahan ng
Alright, Giant Angels Devil Burger sa Montalban din sa dyan. Kung makakadayo kayo doon, can contact, of course, our hotline here.
Ikaw pwede, taga-saan ka pa?
Taga-Sora sa Calago.
Oo. O Laguna, malapit sa Montalban.
Salamat, dulo-dulo. Paunti na ng paunti. We have... Alright, those are our last elimination round contenders. Tama ba? Pagkleta na kayo? 6. Sorry, 6 ba to? 6. Ay, ikaw mawala. Sorry, hunk number 6. Ayan. Pumayot pa. 6. Alright, hunk number 6. Alright, brother. Ano gawang preparation leading towards to today?
Just working out and also building my physical and mental health.
Working out and building his physical and mental. Gusto ko yan. Alright, any businesses? Sorry, I think they're quite ready. So, any businesses, pasasalamat sa mga manonood natin na gusto mo i-promote at pasalamatan.
I would like to thank all the people behind this event for giving us opportunity, especially to ATBM, which is the performance sa namin.
Thank you so much, Ate Ben. Ayan. And syempre, meron bang business na gusto promote? Yung social media, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok.
Actually, I don't have any social media followers.
Not a problem, but not a problem. Alright, so let's move on. Those are our last elimination round. Palapakan mo natin sila. Ayan, and now let's move on to ito na, our wild card contenders. Then dito na ako sisimula. Alright, starting off with number 9. Alright, brother, kamusta ka? Ayan, if I'm not mistaken, ikaw ay yung pamangkin ni Kevin Reyes. Alright, so, ano masasabi mo ngayon that you are part of the wild card round?
Thank you po sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Hindi po dahil
Thank you rin po sa tito ko si Kevin Reyes. Kapatid ko po, kami mga person po sa mga support sa guys po sa thank you po.
Ay, maraming salamat din po. Hindi ko na kayo masyado interview. Interview ko na kayo the last time around. Good luck to you. Ayan. Good luck. Now, let's move on to Hulk number 12. Brother, how are you? Kamusta ka? Okay. Okay, mukhang this time around, nakita ko mas confident ka pa the last time I saw you. At syempre, sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan? Diba? Dahil na nasa wild card ka na.
Napasalamatan ko po ang mga inyo kasi kay Danny. Dahil sa kanya hindi ako makapunta dito.
Maraming salamat kay Denny. Siya maraming salamat din sa'yo. Good luck to you, brother. Now that you're part of the wild card. Alright, Janet, how are you, bro? Kamusta ka? So, question now for you, Janet. Ano ang pakiramdam that you are back here the second time around? Chill lang ako. Kaya ka to. I got this. Alright, Janet. Gusto ko bang pasalamatan? May gusto ko ba i-promote? Alright, Janet. Good luck to you. I hope I get to see you again next week sa Grand Finals. Alright, now let's move on to Hot number 11. Alright, brother. Kamusta ka? Okay din. Chill lang. Chill lang. Okay. Hot number 11. Sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan sa araw na to? Salamat po sa mga Maraming salamat to you, bro. At syempre, good luck to you as well. And ang mga tao, Hot number 10. Brother, may gusto ko pang pasalamatan?
Ano po ay Danny sa mga taong nanonood po dito sa mga
Maraming salamat Hot number 10 po. Para nag-few game vibes sa aking upload si Dennis Trillo tuloy siya, no? Extra Trim, pangalan mo? Ha? Daniel Padilla. Sorry. Doon ako sa matanda Dennis Padilla, di ba? Kamalabas si Idan Pimas. Di ba? Ang boses, di ba? Pati yung timplan. Okay. Alright, good luck to you, bro. Now let's move on to Hot number 8.
Hello po, magandang araw. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta rito. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po kami dito. Sige po.
Maraming salamat ulit din dahil sa inyo na patuloy na sumusali sa mga handlers na wala rin akong trabaho. Kaya palakpakan natin ang mga Hawks na ito. Alright, here in my hands right now are our winners. So before I announce it, maraming salamat once again to our judges, Ms. Jenko Iwananjo, Sir Carlo Martin, and of course, palakpakan po natin ang choreographer na talagang napaka-smooth. Hawk number 4, Alexis Benelia! Daming fans din sa taas, no? Congratulations to you, and of course, thank God for your successful operation. Don't forget this Devil's Burger sa Montalban. Sasama kay Alexis ay si number 2, Jarvin Ellis. Alright. I'll give you guys a clue. Sabi ko kanina, 8, di ba? Mali yung bilang ko. 9 pala silang makakapasok sa Grand Finals. Napahiya ako.
Dami na sabi ko sa'yo,
Alright! Down 2. So, ilan na lang yun? 7, di ba? 7. Sinisigaw nila, itong number na ito, naririnig ko. Hawk number 5, Miguel Quinto! Alright, so far, lahat ng in-announce ko nandun sa first part ng ating elimination. Last elimination, di ba? Ang kasama nilang tatlo ay si
Number 3!
Hawk number 3, Sherwin Berhinio!
Kasi makapasok yan.
Itong si Sherwin, may pagkaano to, naalala ko sa kanya, ang good friend ko sa kanya, si Jerome Ponce. You guys know him? Good friend of mine as well, si Jerome, ayan. Eto na. Kanina pa sinisinoto, ipasok na nga natin siya. Number 6. Number 6, Fritz Felix. Ang batang gumigising lang, may abs na. Ayan. Wala, tulog lang ako eh. Jim, tulog. Gising ko, may abs na ako eh. Alright, relax na kayo bro. I just want to make it light for every one of you. I know you guys are very uptight. I understand it's a competition. And, ang mga kasama ng hunks na ito ay si hunk number 7, James Casilia. I have to say, this guy's confidence is really something. Yun yung umangat sa kanya talaga more than anything else. Walking off on stage, he truly owned it. Tulad na sinabi, of course, ang previous hunks natin. So, 6 na kayo. Sabi ko, 9. So, 3 na lang. Ang kasama nyo ay si hunk number
13. 11.
Halas daw to eh. 13! Janet Onen!
Sabi sa iyo eh.
Janet ba Jet?
Wala na lang ako naging
Jet?
dancer.
Jet? Alright. Jet Onen. Alright, there you go. Congratulations. Jet, ang very chill lang na kausap ka rin kanina. Hindi kinakabahan. Alam na ata na pasok na siya. Last 2. Nakakaba. How many of you? Alam mo yung pangalan niya? Pangalan ng lead singers ng banda. Isang local, isang international. Diba? Yung first name niya, Clue. First name niya, lead singer niya na isang bandang local na may Verbaya. Yung last name niya, lead singer ng kung nakikinig kayo sa Incubus. Yun yung apelido niya. Ladies and gentlemen, he is hunk number 10, Mark Boyd! Wala nakagets for sure. So, Brandon Boyd po ay lead singer ng Incubus. At si Mark po, lead singer naman ng Verbaya. Okay, isa na lang. Wala na kayo. Diba? Sino kaya to? But before anything else, you know what? All of you guys are truly talented. Lahat kayo, guwapo, lahat kayo magagaling mag-isip. Hindi ito yung last stop ninyo. Sali lang ng sali. Maybe this is not the... Maybe hindi lang ito yung araw na para sa inyo. May mag-isang ganun talaga eh. Even in acting, even in life. Sometimes hindi lang swerte. Minsan hindi dumating. So laban lang ng laban sa buhay. To everyone here, maraming salamat. Our last song, moving on to the grand finals, the fashion show next week is hunk number 9, Kurt Reyes! So ang magtito po ay magkikita-kita next week sa fashion show. Maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you again next week for the fashion show right after that, the grand finals on December 7. Maraming thank you. Ingat po sa pag-uwi.